How to add the Klip coupon feature to your Shopify website, same as the Amazon, and give the revenue boost to your Shopify website or store. So let me show you the example here. I have amazon.com.au, and if I search for some product by brand or something, and you see here there are many products which has the coupon options available. So imagine this one. If I click to this one, if I open the product, here on the product page itself there is a coupon, and I can tick the tick box to apply the $55 coupon. So if I tick the tick box here, that means 55 off applied. And if I go and add to cart or buy now, simply add to cart, and it will be like I can go to the checkout. Instead of $295, you can see here now coupon has been applied and the figure order total is reduced to 240.49. So that's how you can do as well on your Shopify website. Hey guys, myself Hardik Patel from ecomhardy.com, and if you are a non-Shopify user watching this video, you can always switch to Shopify or at least try Shopify for just $1 by going to ecomhardy.com. Here, if you scroll down on the homepage, you will find best alternative to WooCommerce. Simply click to that and you will find $1 option available here. So you can just try out this Shopify for just $1 and see how you go. If you like Shopify, you can continue with Shopify and switch your website from WooCommerce to Shopify. Of course, I have made a lot of tutorial videos on Shopify, so take an advantage of those tutorial videos as well. Simply go to Apps and Sales Channel Settings, Shopify App Store, and it will open the Shopify App Store. And then simply on the Shopify App Store, search for KLIP, and it will show this one, Klip Product Page Coupons. So this app will give that particular functionality. So simply click install now and activate this app. This is the free app, which is great thing. Plus, it is built for Shopify. That means it meets Shopify's highest quality standards for speed, ease of use, and merchant value. Good thing. So once you activate this app, what you can do is simply go to click apps here, and you will find this app here, Klip Coupons. Simply click to open that app. And once you open that app, you can go to settings here. Once you activate this app, make sure you go to the storefront in online store, okay? And you have to enable this app and also apply the theme extension to the relevant place. If I go to online themes, customize, and if I select products and default products, and here, if it's like if you just activated this app, you might not see this option here first, okay? You have to add this option, Klip App Coupon. If you don't have anything showing up here, what you have to do is add block. Click to add block, click to apps, click to Klip App Coupon, okay? And it will add the coupon. You can drag and drop anywhere, okay? Now I drag it to here if I think like this is the best place, but the best place to put this coupon feature is underneath of the price, because that's the best place customer will see and they will have opportunity to apply this coupon. Now once you've done that, you can go back. Let me close it. You can create a new coupon. By the way, let me tell you, this is the real active coupon right now on this website, and it is giving 10% off to my customers, and it has already been clicked by 23 times. About 5 or 6 times it is by myself because I was tasting, but about 17 times it has been clicked by real customers. And out of 17, 4 customers already redeemed this coupon, and it gave me like $233 revenue directly from this feature. Now create a new coupon, give coupon name, so maybe 55% off jewelry, okay? By the way, whatever title you give here, customer will see this title, so make sure you give a relevant title. Now product discount or shipping discount, whether this coupon is for product discount or shipping discount, select accordingly. I go with product discount. I go with percentage discount instead of fixed discount, and maybe 15%. And I want to apply this to not just product but collection of products. In your case, if you want to apply just to particular product like $15 off or something like that to particular product, you can select this one and browse the product and add the products accordingly. You can add multiple products for that purpose, but in my case I want to go with collection. Okay, and I want to browse, and I want to, because this coupon is for jewelry only, I select jewelry category or collection. Okay, and then add. Once I add that, by the way, let me open the front end of the website and show you. So shop by category and jewelry. And if I go to the jewelry right now, it's only 10% coupon available. But what will happen after doing this? You will be amazed. So start date maybe 20. So today's date is start date, and end date, I want to set the end date as well. So instead of, I will gonna give a gap of 1 month. So today is 27. So 27 September, and I give 11:30 p.m. as end time. Show only for logged in users? No, I want to show to everyone. Set per product coupon limit for each order? Yes. So set per product coupon limit. You can set it as well, but in my case, I just want to leave it blank. Limit number of times this coupon can be used in total. Yes, I want to allow only 20 clips. Just imagine, or maybe 100 clips. Okay, and then minimum spend condition. If you want to set like $30 or something as a minimum spend condition, you can set it. That will reflect here as well in the details. Okay, but in my case I just leave it off, leave it as it is. Auto apply coupon? No, customer has to apply the coupon, because that way customer will know they are applying themselves and they are getting discount, so it will be exciting for them to apply and make an order straight away. It doesn't only ends here. If you just scroll down and go to customize product coupon, simply expand this tab, and here you can change the title. Remember, before I had, instead of coupon, I have limited sale, so you can change the title here as well. Okay, so instead of coupon, I will go with limited time sale, or if it's too long, you can just put limited sale, or if you want to just leave it blank as it is, you can keep the coupon itself. Okay, you can also change the color of this thing. Instead of orange color, I can change it to maybe green color. Okay, or even dark green. Okay, but if you want to change it to your theme color, if you know the code of your theme, maybe inspect element if you don't know the code, and if you have anything here like button or something, here you can see the code. So here you see 5A31F4 is the code for the blue color button. So remember this code 5A31F4, and simply go here. Okay, and then close. So that is the theme color. Now font size, if you want to increase the font size, you can increase it. So 15 is pretty good size, 15 pixels, and applied background and everything will be the same. Coupon popover, you can also click that and it will open the terms of the coupon, where you can write the terms here. In my case, I just leave it off. Urgency timer, you can activate the urgency timer, and you can just allow maybe like how many, 24 hours or just something. So when customer visits the product page, the timer will start and it will end accordingly. You can also set here what will happen after it ends. Coupon timer, coupon disappears from the product page when countdown ends, if you want to do that. Or checkout timer, coupon expires in cart if checkout is not completed. You can do so. But in my case, I will leave it blank. I don't want to activate the timer. And you can also offer the dynamic information text here. Hurry, only quantity coupons available. So hurry, only 20 coupons remaining, which is good way to show customers, make sure they apply as soon as possible. So this is good one. Now I'm happy with everything. Simply save changes. Now this coupon is active. So once this coupon is active, it is published. You can unpublish them at any time, but simply go back. And if you see here, you will see the coupon has been added. And now if I go to the jewelry, or if I select any product from the jewelry collection, simply maybe this one, just imagine, you see here 15% discount coupon is added automatically. The good thing about this one is it will go by the relevancy. Because this is from the jewelry collection, it will show the relevant coupon directly from here. Once I click that, coupon has been applied and added to the checkout, so customer can take an advantage of it. Now they can add to cart, view cart, and you see there are two different coupons applied. You can also get the information there, and here you will find the coupon has been applied, 10% off and 15% off jewelry, which is good. Now customer can take an advantage of it and they can check out as soon as possible. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment me in comment box below and I will love to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will not get missed out with any future videos. Thank you very much. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.